Hello, you guys. Let's get into it. This job right here is called Balance Staffing. I have two separate jobs on this video right here. This is the first one. It's called Balance and Solution. The name of the company is Balance and Solution. It's a remote position. It's starting at $21.75 per hour to $22.75 per hour. It's a full-time job. They're urgently hiring, you guys. Yes, you see it correctly on your screen. It says urgently hiring for health insurance agent position. Remote position, work from home. And the qualifications for this job, you have to have insurance sales, 1 year required, and you have to have health insurance license required, and high school diploma or equivalent required. 401k are the benefits. I'm listing them right here. I'm talking about them now. Dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, and vision insurance. Seeking a licensed health insurance agent to support the Medicare annual election period. Call Surrey at 551-273-2092 or 551-213-8338 to schedule your Zoom interview today. And the position is a health insurance agent. It's a work from home position once again. And the pay is here again, $21.75 up to $22.75 per hour. They are bilingual in English and Spanish. This will need to be approved by Teleperformance recruiting team passing a bilingual test. So you'll need to have to pass a bilingual test to get hired for this job. And the bonus pay is $250 to $3,000. That's for the bonus pay. And the hours of operations is Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. through 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8-hour shifts, 40-hour week job. It's full time. Opportunities to work overtime in the peak weeks of AEP. And equipment will be provided by this company, you guys, called Balance Staffing. The company's name is Balance Staffing. They will provide the computers and everything to go with this job. Balance Staffing is proud to be an equal opportunity workplace. We are committed to equal employment opportunity regardless of race, color, ancestry, religion, sex, national origin, sexual orientation, age, citizenship, marital status, disability, gender identity, veteran status, or any other characteristics protected by federal or state law. And the supplemental pay type is bonus pay. Application questions will be as follows. When would be a good time to talk? Your email address for direct contact. Your education, high school diploma or equivalent preferred. Experience, insurance sales, 1 year required. And once again, the license certification will be a health insurance license required. They're ongoing with this position. They need to fill this position, you guys. So if it seems like it's something that you would love to do, is to work with this company called Balance Staffing as a health insurance agent. They're urgently hiring, and it just got posted today. So that's the first job with this video. Now the second job of this video is from a company called firstPRO Incorporated, Information Security Analyst. That's the job role, Information Security Analyst. It's a remote position. It pays $40 to $45 an hour. $45 per hour, you guys. Full-time contract job. Now, the experience and skills is computer networking, video, and information security. And it's a full-time job position. It's a contract position. The benefits are dental insurance, health insurance, and vision insurance. Now, this is the description below for this position, Information Security Analyst. firstPRO is now accepting resumes for a remote Information Security Analyst. This is a contract to hire position paying up to $45 per hour based on experience with a converting yearly salary of up to $75,000 based on experience. The security analyst will be responsible for the support and management of application inventory, assisting with security awareness program, including creating newsletters, articles, role-based policy training, Other communications as determined. Participation in SOC audits, management of IT contract SLA data, and IT contract risk and cost analyst. Required qualifications is 1 years of security analyst SOC and security awareness program experience, 3 years of combined IT and security experience, 1 years of experience managing and analyzing data and metric, creating and documenting workflow, and developing IT security awareness training. Understand IT infrastructure, knowledge of basic network, network or operating systems, servers, and common security controls. Advanced business cost and data analyst, writing, documentation, Excel and Visio skills, proficient user of a Windows desktop and note taker, willing to assist with any workflow or security improvement projects as needed. And this is a full-time job position, you guys. It's a contract job, and the pay, once again, is $40 through $45 per hour. So jump on it, you guys. And once again, the benefits are amazing. It's dental, health, and vision insurance for these benefits, and it's an 8-hour job position. And the experience you need for this is required is security analyst and security awareness program, 1 year required. IT, 3 years required. It's a remote position. They're hiring for 2 candidates for this role, you guys. 2 candidates. Urgently hiring, you guys. Just post it. Just post it on Indeed. So if you can, guys, just go ahead and get in the door while you can. The opportunity is knocking. Open those positive doors. Just step right on in, because you never know. They might just look aside from all of these high level positions and see that you still have the urge to try to work for this job and the encouragement. I mean, I can't find the exact word, but they can see that you have the potential to keep trying to get put into this job position. Just go ahead, guys, apply to all of these wonderful jobs that I'm placing onto my channel. I'm not just sitting in here just for anything, you guys. I'm doing the research, so you won't have to go ahead and scroll through all of the websites in the world. I'm placing it right here on my channel. You guys like, subscribe, and comment down below, and hopefully you'll find something that you will love to work to start working with. And if not, if you find something that you love and you think someone else would want to go ahead and be able to work for this company or another type of company that I have posted on my job and on my job links or on my channel, just go ahead and pass along to a friend, to a friend, to a friend, to a friend. And I will see you guys in the next video. Keep on sparkling, you diamonds. Keep on going. And keep your head straight forward. And you just keep doing what you have to do to get to where you need to go. And that's to prosper yourself. I mean, I don't know, be prosperous. Prosperous. Just go ahead, guys. Get on it. Get on it. Be prosperous. Keep on going. Don't let no one deter you, because there's a lot of deterrents out there, you guys. I know how you feel sometimes. If there's people around you who are negative, don't let them get to you. Just do what you have to do to get to where you need to go. All right? Because money will not fall in your lap. You have to go out there and get it. All right, you guys. See you on the next one. The word is prosperity and prosperous, you guys. I'm so sorry. I had got tongue twisted at the last minute. But you guys keep on applying, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.